my name is Kerry Coleman. I'm the bartender here at China Grill inside Mandalay Bay on the famous Las Vegas Strip. Today we're going to learn how to build a margarita using dark cream de cocoa. It's a build cocktail. Going to shake that in a martini glass. Going to fill our tin with ice. And I'm going to be making a cocktail called the Piper, which is similar to a margarita. I'm going to use a half ounce of dark de cocoa, a half ounce of triple sec, I'm going to use 2 ounces of silver tequila, and some fresh lime juice, about a quarter ounce. Okay, we're going to shake that and strain that into a martini glass. And there you have it. How to build a margarita using dark cream de cocoa. Again, my name is Kerry Coleman. Stop by, I'd be happy to make that for you.